How to backup chat history in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Also make sure that you have the latest version of the Telegram application on your device. Now after logging into your account, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then select settings. Then scroll down and then tap on data and storage over here. Now just make sure that you have toggled on this automatic media download whenever there is the use of mobile data, the use of Wi-Fi and when roaming. After that you can just turn on the option of private chats as well, which will be saved to gallery, and then scroll down and just check it and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.